Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. I finally was able to find some of the fall decor. I have been kind of stalking my locations and they put the fall stuff out about a week later this year than they did last year, which I'm bummed about because I wanted to bring you the fall decor first. But there are plenty of really good videos out right now of fall shop with me's and all of that, and as soon as my stores get their full inventory in, I will be making one myself, but my store had a limited selection. But anyways, let's just get into it. I'm going to start off with the fall decor and my favorite item from the fall decor, but I am so excited about something else that I'm going to share with you after I get through fall. But anyways, so the first thing is this really cool set of 3 metal kind of galvanized words. I know it's hard to see what they say, but these are the words: thankful, harvest, and welcome. And I actually got 3 packs of these because I think I might use the same word 3 different times. But here's what they look like. The text that Dollar Tree used is beautiful. They are flimsy, but substantial enough to definitely DIY with. And I just have so many ideas. I could not believe that Dollar Tree came out with these, because you can definitely now make like such a professional looking DIY, like something that I mean, you always could, but things like this are going to make our DIYs so much better. I'm over the moon about these. And this welcome one you could use year round, like on a wreath or something. So that was my favorite fall find so far. Another favorite find are these pumpkin clips. You get 3 of these. And I don't know that I've seen these at Dollar Tree before. I have a DIY in mind actually that involves 3 white pumpkins, and I was kind of debating whether or not to do it because I would have to spend $3 on pumpkins, and sometimes when DIYs start getting kind of pricey, they're not worth doing anymore. So I was so happy to see these clips. They also come in like red, a kind of more rusty orange, and a traditional orange. So I picked up 2 packs of these. Picked up this sign that says "Bless Our Home." What do you know, you guys? Dollar Tree got the hint and left the glitter off of something. I'm so happy about it. And this is really pretty. So I'm thinking of putting this on one of our doors probably, but it's really nice. And this scroll is actually raised. I don't know if you can see. It did come in another style. It has sunflowers, and I want to say it said welcome or something like that. I also picked up 2 of these chalkboard pumpkins that say "I am thankful for," and they have the tin leaf. They had these last year. I did pick one up last year, and I bought 2 of these because I have an amazing DIY plan for these. Not to toot my own horn, but I have a DIY planned, and I really hope this one works out, because if so, it's gonna be so darn cute. So yeah, I got 2 of these. I also found the burlap leaves. I got 2 packs of these. You get 5, and they're pretty nice. They have stems on them. I was like, is that a rope in there or stem? So yeah, bendable stem. And they also came in green, orange, and maybe burgundy. So I got 2 packs of these. I also picked up these 2 signs. I got this one last year. It says "Home Sweet Home." These are really cute to use outside if you have like a covered outdoor area. Like if you want to put them in a pot on your porch or something and you have an overhang. These will kind of deteriorate if they get wet like several times in a row. They might last you a season outside, I'm not sure. But I did have a Christmas one outside like 2 years ago, and it just completely flopped over because there was snow on the ground for a while, and it just bent right over. So anyways, these are kind of like a 1-season thing. Mine from last year actually held up, but we tossed it because we were decluttering, but I really liked it. So I got these 2 again this year for our new house. And that concludes the fall decor. I'm gonna get into a couple DIY and knickknack items. I was able to find the pillows. they come in several different colors, more colors than like the sequin bins came in. And yeah, this is the white and gold. I have no use, absolutely no use for this. You guys know this isn't really my thing, but I do want to start like a little collection of stuff for my nieces and nephews, basically, or distant cousins that are young. I made them all Christmas stockings last year. I made so many, and I put them together like probably 2 weeks before Christmas, and it got really expensive even at Dollar Tree when I purchased everything all at once. So I'm gonna start early. My cousin, she really likes decorating her room, and she is in 7th grade, so I thought she would love this. I also picked up this 4-pack of Play-Doh. My child of a boyfriend, I like that he's youthful, so I'm not saying that in a bad way, took them all out and started playing with the Play-Doh because I actually don't need the dough. So yeah, I just have the cardboard to share with you, and this is for the same DIY as the pumpkins. So yeah, got that. The next thing that I picked up is this Sip Happens, It's Okay to Whine. Oh, I get it, okay. I got this little thing. It is just like a little kickstand decor piece. I'm definitely not using it the way it is. This is going to be for a DIY. I could not have found a more perfect thing for this DIY that I want to do, so I was really happy to see this, and yeah. And then the last DIY supply I got is this Willow Wreath. This has seen better days, hasn't it? They also had like the wicker one that's a lighter color, but it's a little bit fuller, and I wanted something like sparse and more flat. So I think I'm just gonna try to hot glue some of these sticks down so that they don't stick out, or maybe wire them, I'm not sure, but this will be for an upcoming DIY. On to food, I don't know, food is kind of iffy for me at Dollar Tree. I don't mind getting snacks, but like food, I'm not wild about, but they had some organic soups there. So the first one is this organic corn poblano chowder soup. I've been having this for lunch basically all week. I went to Dollar Tree on one of my lunch breaks to see if they had their fall decor, and they didn't have anything, and I was like, oh crap, I have no time to get lunch anywhere. So I went to see if they had any soup because they normally have name brand soup, and I saw this, so I tried it. It was so good. I went back and bought the rest, ate them all week, and then there was one left at this different Dollar Tree I went to. So this is really good if you see it. It is spicy though, and that's saying something coming from me because I do like spice. So if you're sensitive to spice, this maybe won't be the one for you, but you could always put a dollop of sour cream in there to kind of tone it back. But anyways, going off on a rant, this is really good. I also picked up 2 Annie's soups. We get these at the regular grocery store, and by the way, let me tell you, on this, the expiration date is April 18th of next year, so I have almost a year for that, but that will be gone tomorrow, I'm sure. And then the Annie's ones, these expire, the tomato soup expires June 19th of next year, and the vegetable one expires January 23rd. So we're actually going to eat this one tonight. I got 2 of each. We buy these at the regular grocery store, and I think they're usually like $2.50 or something, or maybe even a little more. So we love the Annie's brand, and if I see it at Dollar Tree, I have no problem picking it up if it's within a decent expiration time frame. These last items I bought so many of. I went a little bit crazy, but I was blown away, and they are a bunch of greeting cards. Okay, so you guys will have to let me know if your Dollar Tree has done the same thing, but I have a new Dollar Tree that I go to because I live on a different part of town, and it's honestly the best Dollar Tree in the area. But I went to the Dollar Tree by my old apartment that I used to go to all the time, and they converted their entire card section to just Hallmark cards. So there aren't like the Tender Thoughts, I think is what they used to be called. I don't know if that was Hallmark, but the cards were okay. You could find one if you had to go there, but they weren't normally that cute, and I love to give a cute card for a birthday, as like when someone has a baby, for a shower, for whatever. And it was always hard to find like a really cute, chic, trendy card at Dollar Tree, but this Dollar Tree converted their entire card section to these Hallmark cards, and I could not believe it because most of these were 50 cents a piece. So the first one I got is this one that says Happy Day. It has the gold foiling. They just say like little brief things in the inside, which I like. Like I said, they're all Hallmark. This is Heartline. I think I got 2 of this one. I like to stock up on cards, and then that way I don't have to worry about going out and buying a card for like the next 6 months. I was actually at Home Goods with one of my girlfriends like about a year ago, and she bought so many cards, and I gave her a little bit of crap, and she's like, trust me, I'm not gonna have to buy a card for a while. So now I started to do the same thing. So anyways, I got that one. I got this one that says you sparkle, you shine, and it has all these shiny gems. And like I said, just something short and sweet in the inside. I got this one that is all gold, Cheers Friend. And this one is not like birthday specific, but I figured I would use it as a birthday card. And by the way, you guys, like they have a card for every single occasion. They have a whole section with at least like 20 different baby shower cards, 20 different bridal shower cards, bar mitzvah, bat mitzvah, niece's birthdays, nephew's birthdays, son, mom, aunt, uncle, grandpa, grandma, get well soon, sympathy cards, thinking of you, thank yous, congratulations, promotion. Like it's so crazy because they didn't have all those options, at least at my Dollar Tree before. So I got that one. I got this one. It does have some gold on it. I thought this was so pretty. Love that. I think I'm going to give this one to my mom. It says happy birthday with the gold. They also had a whole section of cards with dogs and cats on it. This is for my dad. It has the 2 West Highland Terriers, and they have a West Highland Terrier. My baby brother, his name is Connor, and he's a Westie. It just says everything's better when shared with a friend. I'm going to give him an ice cream gift card to our favorite ice cream place and say, let's go get ice cream. I also got this one, which I think is perfect for like a guy, if you have a guy with a birthday coming up, because it doesn't have any pink or purple. Not that you couldn't give those colors to a guy, but it's just, it has a more gender neutral color scheme on it. And the silver. This one says royal treatment with the gold. Another one of this one. And then these last cards were $1 a piece, but they're definitely worth it. This one says just married with the gold, and it has the kind of rustic wood background and just a little message in the inside. I love when cards have a little bit of color on the inside too. And these are Expressions by Hallmark. And then I bought 2 of this one. It's just white and gold, and it says Mr. and Mrs. and there's glitter on the outside, and like it's just so stinking cute. And this one has some color in the inside too. The border is like a yellowish mustard color, and I'm just so impressed with the card selection. I wish that there was anybody who would be interested in me just making an entire shop with me dedicated to their card section, because I really had to hold back because I wanted every single one, but I know that this is enough for the time being. So anyways, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know this video was kind of probably long and drawn out. I cannot wait to get started on my fall DIYs and do more fall shop with me's. If you have any video requests, leave them in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up so I know that you're enjoying the content that I am putting out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video of mine, because otherwise YouTube may not notify you if you don't have that bell on. And I want to thank you for spending some time watching this video. I know that your time is valuable, and I really appreciate that you spent a little bit of it with me, and I will see you back in my next video. Bye guys.